Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back with another unboxing. For this video I will have the Target beauty boxes for January. Here is the first of them, and I think this one is Target January Boom Beauty Box, the name of this one, and the other one, the blue one, is called Target January Derm Box. So let's see first what we have in this one. As usually it's $7 for each, and comes with a $3 of coupon, which I never use. So let's see what we have in this box. Here is the card, and says Hello Flawless Beauty Finds. I'm not gonna read the card. So here is the box inside. Of course something has to fall, right? And we have in here from the Target brand, this is Up and Up, I believe. Yes, Up and Up premium cotton rounds, 2 of them. So here is the small pack, great for my sample project pen, right? First item in here. Then we have Method Body. I think this is another Target brand. I'm not so familiar with Target. It's peony with the peony rose water and pink sea salt. It's a body wash in 100 milliliters. By the flowers seems to be nice. I don't really feel the scent for this one. The scent is very light. So yeah, we have a body wash which looks like this. It's not a bad size. Then what else we have in here? We have a full-size product, I think, and this is Love Beauty and Planet. Is the 24-hour odor protection, no aluminum, which sounds great. It's argan oil and lavender relaxing deodorant. A full size this time. I just have in the samples of the week another product, a dry shampoo from this brand, and I'm using right now the shampoo and conditioner for them. It's okay, it's not bad, and affordable, of course, in the same time. Then we have another deluxe sample, which is from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Therapy Oil. So it's an oil for body in 25 milliliters, so probably 2-3 usage from this one. Then we have Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water in another deluxe sample, and this one comes with 31 milliliters, which is 0.5 fluid ounce, so in this size, which is cute. Then we have another item in here, and this is from Schmidt's Active Charcoal Tooth and Mouth Paste. Looks like this. Great to try. We always get some toothpaste and other self-care products, so here is one of them. And the last item in this box is from Maybelline. It's Master Precise All Day. It's a liquid liner in a deluxe sample. So here is the last product in here. Here is the tip of this one. Looks pretty okay. So that's all in the January box. So far, Maybelline eyeliner, this cute micellar water from Garnier, toothpaste and mouth paste from Schmidt's. We have from Palmer's Cocoa Butter Skin Oil, 2 cotton pads, a shower, a body wash, and a full-size deodorant. I think it's not bad for $7. You always have a chance to try some items, and also the sizes of those are not just one-time use. You can get from some of them a good number of usage. So that was the first box, and now let's go ahead and see what's in the second one. Also, you can use the coupon to buy full-size products from this box, or any other related products from Target. Then here is the second box, the blue one, and this is the Derm box. Comes of course with another coupon in here, another $3 off, and we have Hello Skin Sazonal, and I like the blue paper in this one. And this one comes only with skincare, and I saw Marie Cantelli unboxings and for them, and I like this one, the skincare one more. We have Vichy Mineral 89 Skin Fortifying Daily Booster, and comes in a pretty cute size is this one right here. Then what else we have? We have Cetaphil Moisturizing Cream for Body Dry Sensitive Skin, which is this one. We have La Roche-Posay Dermic R Correct. This is, let me find the English part. Anyway, this is, what's this one? Anti-aging concentrate intense. So is this guy right here. The size is not ginormous, is this tiny sample. Then we have also a couple more products, and one of them is from Dove. It's dry skin relief body lotion in 50 milliliters. Looks new to me. Then we still have from Cetaphil the extra gentle daily scrub. I heard the cleanser is great, probably the scrub too. And also we have from La Roche-Posay Tolerate Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. So is this one, and the last item in the box is Cerave Night Cream. So is this one. So far in this box we have couple items. We have 2 body creams, a sample and a deluxe sample. Then we have a booster from Vichy. We have a night cream, we have a face scrub, a cleanser, and this anti-aging concentrate serum probably. So that's kind of all in the Target boxes. I still think the second box, the skincare one, it's the best from those two. Let me know what you think about their boxes. I saw some spoilers for Walmart beauty boxes. Those are gonna be on the way hopefully soon. So those are the 2 boxes from Target for January. So far they are okay, nothing extremely exciting, but good products as a drugstore and affordable. So that's kind of all for now. I will see you guys very soon. You have an amazing day. Bye bye.